namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, something that I nyeketa an update about the Limpopo Poison, and then from there, the vetele clip ya Gagash. Yeah, so previous mga mavhleketa hi ti 14 ta August hi fike hi endla a video ye laha hi nga fiki kombisa ku Limpopo Poison va le studio mi nga mi swi vonini sweswo na ti-picture a hi vekerini of course. However already se hi na update ka siku ra of course ra ti 16 ta August. Yeah, so ni fike ni scrolla ka account of course yeah, Vishivambo, so as you can see, you want the big fans that been the president. So it's a very reliable source. Mngama hleketa ku mhaka leya BMQ ya digiza jamalum yi kumeka yena. So already I update ka khale ngopfu, very confident about the information. So shosho ifika hi nyika an update as you can see afika komisa ku Limpopo Poison the return 100% done. As you can see, yiherile project already, like they are done. As long as they are already done. Se yi lava kusuka siku rihi na rihi ti nga buluka kusuka sweswi as you can see aku ya magaza yi sukile, so project yi herile. So swi vula ku information leyi mina already a ni na yona from my sources yo ku nga kha ku ndliwa at least maybe up to 3 songs yi nga va yi ri correct because already they are done. So obvious, it's not an album. So based on the information they already of course even on the previous video, the songs has to be up to 3 songs. Somewhere around there, unless if they add a little bit, but in the 5 thing too much. Up to 3. So his statement channel Limpopo Poison might even release before Sevara Press Rangan, you could previous video if you come so Banga before Sevara Press Rangan or just after Sevara Press Rangan. So much information there is reliable. You take a master chiller, of course, or report and change. So you know before album Sevara Press Rangan or just after album Sevara Press Rangan. So it's very close, guys. Yeah, of course it I can't tell video clip ya Gagash. Yeah, no ka YouTube channel ya mina swona van'we va kha va n'wi rhunga va kha va kombisa ku leswi yena ngo ina class swi ta njhana ku ina class mara ka famba hi polo na hi kwani maswa ku polo, can we say it's class? You'll argue with Gagash because it in a perspective ya yena loko a ri karhi a responda ka un'wana of course na yena nga fika kombisa ku polo a hi class. So waleyo Gagash of course
wan'wana n'wana loyi we acting twa ku nandzika ku tirhisa foni kona mfana ku tsakela ku famba hi polo. Polo is luxury, my friend, if you don't know. Polo is luxury. This polo is loko nga swi tivi u swi tivi. Polo is luxury, my friend, if you don't know. Don't sana swiphukuphukule leswi n'wina swo ka swi nga se twisisa ku ri vutomi ini. Polo is luxury if you don't know. Ata ku nga tivi ko mfana nga navela ku famba hi polo. Va tele ngopfu, including some of your family members. You va tele ngopfu. So loko i phuvile nga ku dyondzisi ku fina ku career byi xavisiwa. Ene va lava ku cina hi ndlela leyi a va xavi byala. I ta xava nkarhi muni a ri ku cineni munhu. A va xavi byala, munhu a ku yile ku cineni wa ku cineni a nga xavi byala munhu wa vanhu lava munhu a ku ta fika byaleni a ku ta xava 3 nkarhi 5 hours i xeti biya tinharhu hala n'wana wo va ku cineni nkarhi lowu. Hayi tshama